Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to go fishing at the lake like usual. Same place. We're going to catch some big studs out there. I went there the other day and caught two big ones because spring is here. So now we're going to get some good action and big fish. Meaning that we're going to put big bait, big lures on our hooks, and we're going to throw them out there in the water and see what we can do. Another thing, I'm doing something different. I'm taking out, I used to use this green moss color on my chatter, like a trailer for it. I don't know what you call it, but it was like spiky looking. I threw it out because the big ones I caught yesterday, they tore that thing up. So now I got some 6th Sense craws that we're going to put on. I thought it was neat. It looked pretty nice last night when I put it on. We're going to try it out there. It's been raining lately, but it stopped raining. It's bright now all of a sudden. That's Florida for us. And we're going to check if we can get some action. I'm going to try to get some more footage for y'all than last time I had. And I'm going to be gone for a couple of days. I'm going to be on vacation, so I won't be posting that much. But when I come back, I'll try to post for y'all as much as I can. And I'm going to show a picture right now of the fish I caught yesterday. That was a big one. I usually catch little ones, but that was my first big one over there. So that's a good sign. That's a really good sign. So I'm going to show you up right now. Yeah, so that's the one I caught. We're going to try to catch more. But I'm going to stop talking now, and we're going to head to the lake and see if we can get some good footage like always. As y'all can see, it's very windy out right now. But, you know, we got the water moving. So there's strong winds out there, but we're going to try to hit a spot and hopefully we catch something. Alright, made it to the lake. Here's a clear view of what I'm using. Just a little crawl, green crawl. We're gonna see what happens. Oh yeah, first cast. Let's see what this got. Came here the other day, yesterday, and they were ready. Today we're gonna try to see if we can get anything. Trying to get as much fishing as I can get in the springtime. Maybe I'll have a great day. I'm very confident though. I feel very confident today. Oh, almost got a bite. What was that bite? Oh. I don't know what that was, but see if I can drag it. There we go, yeah. Just drag it right there. Wind's starting to pick up again, so. Oh, nibble. Got that. Oh, the weather feels nice now. Fish would be good right now to catch right here. It's always good to find a place where you're confident in catching something, no matter how big or small it is. Man, this is perfect. This is great. This place is awesome. Oh my god, I almost hit those ducks. Whoopsies. And they're swimming under my lure. Okay. got so much ground to cover. I'm gonna be walking this whole side. We're not even at my spot yet. So this is like a good start to begin with. Alright, let's get our stuff. We're gonna move up more. It feels nice, really nice out today. I see a bass bed right there already. No bass on it though. Debating on putting braid on this rod. I don't know. Never used it on bait casters before, but I might just stick with mono. Sorry guys for the audio if it's cutting out. It's really windy out right now all of a sudden. So oh. What? What's good, y'all? We're back at the pond again. I had to come back later on today because thinking the wind would go down, but it's not. I'm here with my buddy Austin. Trying to catch fish. He already caught one before I got here. So I'm trying to get on the board. Only caught none so far. It's really windy out. Shoot. I really want to catch something. So we're gonna try to get something on here. Oh, big dump, big dump. That was a big dump. Got him. Yeah. Alright, so I just lost my green chatterbait, unfortunately. The one I was literally making the video on about. Freaking lost it. Shout out to my boy Austin for letting me use his chatterbait. I didn't bring my tackle box. I'm a dummy. Caught one fish as y'all seen earlier. Man, that sucks. Losing the lure like that. Look, I have a backup though. I have a neon green white one. Dang, that sucks, man. Man. But we got one on video, so that's good. Recording this. I should have recorded that. I didn't record that. Dang. You know that heater's gonna feel good in the truck when you leave. I realized when I used to use the paddle tails, I caught a lot of little ones, and then I'll move the chatterbait. I'm not catching a lot, but I mean, yeah. See, when you're fat like me, you have layers, so you got like.
I have no one. The shirt I'm wearing doesn't really help.
Hey, see, yours stays on pretty good. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, that makes sense. I probably didn't put them in. I didn't know there was a line there. You put your hook on. No, look. When I put my paddle tails on there, I didn't look at the hook. See the line that you put on the thing? On the paddle tail?
That's just, yeah, that's just.
Oh, I didn't do that. I just put it anywhere. That makes sense. That's probably why it's slipping off, because I'm thinking. I got a video.
It didn't even burn it.
It didn't burn this? Or it just got caught?
No, it literally didn't even burn it. It just stopped.
Here, I'll catch it for you.
It just wrapped itself.
It just hits my, like, 3D. Don't worry, don't don't worry. Don't worry. Want to see some top water action? I'm just surprised that people live in this neighborhood and they don't fish here.
Everybody's into fishing, bro.
I know.
Leave.
What is that? I thought it was a bird. I thought you hooked a bird. Yeah, same thing. Yeah, your thing goes further, like way further than mine. I'm trying to think, what am I gonna put? You gotta run a lap. Oh my god, I almost tripped. Yeah, you guys start coming here and like, cause you and Kyle come here early, like 11, right? Or what time do y'all get? What's the earliest y'all been here? If y'all come out like at 12 or 1, that's when they start coming. Cause that's when the time I usually come out here, and I'm just. If y'all come out that afternoon, y'all be chilling. Y'all be catching like a bunch over here. Good. Look at my rod, bro. Look, I'm gonna reel, and when I get right here. Who are you? Who are you?
Oh my god.
You got some? Oh,
Cool.
nice. I just like.
You almost got my leg.
Hold on.
I felt the bait touch my leg and I felt water hit it. And see, this would be. See, I'm not throwing this in the right spot.
No. I think I'm gonna get deeper.
I need to throw that out there on that,
Right.
on that spot with some like leaves and stuff out there.
Yeah.
You like a tackle box with me?
No. That's how confident I am with this chatterbait. What? Oh. You're banned. Probably been a good sized one too. Probably like 1.5 pounds or 2 pounder right there. Man, that sucks. Get out of my head. Ah. That sucks, man. Really sucks. Just want to kick it.
You lose your PB, that's what gets me.
Oh man. It hasn't happened to me yet, but if this is bad, then that's worse. Oh, thank God. Oh. I feel a little better. Alright. No, don't do this to me. 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 Oh, it's a little good size. It's decent. Yeah. What do you think? Decent? I don't know.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Austin.
Dude, my tail's caught in the bait.
Nice. Hey guys, if you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate it. We're gonna end it here. It's been a long video. I think this one's probably the long video I ever made right here. But today was kind of crazy. It was like an up and down day. It was like a good day. We had good moments and bad moments. Lost a chatterbait, but gained another fish. So, yeah. But I'm gonna end it here. I hope y'all like and subscribe in the video, and I'll try to post more for y'all. Peace.